Hi, I'm Jason Payne, Head of Solutions Engineering at Privacera, a leader in unified data access governance and Gen AI. Thanks for joining us today on a video on row-level filtering. This is a series of videos we like to call Hit Me With Your Best Shot, a Privacera Explains series, where we take shots at your toughest questions. Many times we're asked on how to create row-level filters in Privacera, so let's jump right in. First, I'll show you our users. We import your users from your IDP, so we're also pulling in user attributes. And we pull in the attributes and can create policies based upon that. So I'll just show you the one example. I have a user with an attribute of country equals US, and the row level filter is going to be dynamic based upon this value. So first we'll go into resource policies, and then we'll choose the service that we're managing. We'll choose row level filters. This policy won't grant access to the table. It's only going to allow row level filtering for users that already have access. So I'll create a new policy, and this policy is going to be to filter by state, and it will be a static policy. I'll give the database name and the schema, and then also the table that we're going to be granting the filter on. Next, we can do the filter by user, group, or role. So I'll stick with my marketing group, which the Amy IC user was part of. And then I'll add the row level filter. And this filter is basically a where clause in a SQL statement. For the static filter, I'm just going to add state equals LA for the state of Louisiana. Now I'll save the policy. So that's a static filter. The next filter that I'm going to show is going to be attribute based. So this will be a dynamic filter based upon user attributes. Again, we'll go to add a new policy. And I'm just going to call this attribute based country filter. We'll give the same database, same schema, and then the same table. This time I'm going to use the public group. So that means any user that runs the query is going to receive this filter. And then I'll add the row level filter. I'm going to use the country column, but this time, instead of creating a static filter, I'm going to use the user variable. So this means any user that is running the query. And then I'm going to pull the country attribute, which we showed earlier. Next, I'll save the policy. And now any user that runs the query is going to be filtered based upon the country value in their user attributes. So today we showed two different filters. We showed a static filter as well as a dynamic filter based upon user attributes. Thank you for watching this video on access management. Please join us again at privacera.com for more videos in this series.